Okay, so we're going to jump right into this video, and the first color we're using is called Universal, and it's basically my transition shade. It's a very light cream color, and I'm using the Morphe 3502 palette. The only time I use this palette is when I'm trying to get like a dark smoky brown look. That palette is perfect for that, okay? So I'll just take this transition shade and placing it all over my lid, and I've already primed my eyes with the Born This Way concealer in the shade, I think I use sand probably. I'm not sure, but it is probably. I have two of them. Okay. And yeah, I'm just gonna pat that all over the lid. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Alright. Next, I'm going into the Juvia's Place Saharan 2 palette. And I don't name this palette, like I didn't show the colors in this video. I don't know, but basically, if you don't have the Saharan 2, you can just use the whole Morphe palette for this look, because the color I'm using from the Juvia's palette is basically like it has like an orange tint to it, but a little bit of brown, and that color is definitely in the Morphe palette. Okay, so you don't even need the Juvia's palette, just use the whole Morphe 3502 palette, and you can get the same look. Okay. So I'm just taking and blending it upwards, and I'm really trying to get the pigmentation like it is on the other eye. I don't know why, but my eyes always come out different all the time. I don't know what the issue be. I don't know. But it still came out cute though, so it really don't matter. And the brushes I'm using, those two gray brushes, is the BH Cosmetics. It's part of their vegan brushes. That one is a V5 brush, okay? Yeah, and I'm just going back in with a transition brush to blend out that orange, right? So for my crease, we are going into, basically all I did was use a black and a brown. I used a very deep brown and black, mixed them together on the same brush, put it in my crease. Real simple. So I'm just gonna blend it in my crease and keep building up the color. And I'm gonna go back in with the second color that I was using with that brush. I didn't put anything else on the brush, just use whatever was left on it to blend out the crease color. Okay, so I cut my crease already, and I used the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in shade Medium 28 as usual. So what I'm doing is just taking the black and the brown that I put in my crease and placing it on the outer corner like I always do. I always blow my crease out the end of it anyway, whatever color I put in the crease. Yeah, I know this, okay? And I tried a new foundation, the NARS Long Wear Radiant. I got the shade Tahoe, but it's a little too orange for me, so I'm gonna have to go back and exchange it for another one. Like, I like the foundation, but that shade I got, it just has like a really gold tint to it, and I'm more of neutral, so yeah. But other than that, I like the foundation. It's okay. So I'm just taking the transition color I use, yeah, which is called Universal, and I'm placing it halfway on the lid, and then I want to go into the second color I used and place it in the middle between the transition color and the outer corner color, all right? And when you're doing this, you want to use like kind of small brushes so you can really get into your eye. Because with cutting your crease and then just putting matte shadow on top of it, sometimes the concealer can peek through. unless you just set your lid first and then do that. But I don't like to do that. I don't know. I haven't tried it before. I don't know how that works. But yeah, make sure you're using a small brush to really get into your eye sockets.
You should have called me. Why you never call me? Why you never call me? Oh, you should have called me. Why you never call me? Why you never call me? Oh, you should have called me. Why you never call me? Why you never call me? Oh.
And I'm just going back and forth between the colors to make sure everything is blended evenly, because you don't want any harsh lines, especially when doing a matte look. So going back and forth between the colors really helps. Okay, going into my crease, I'm taking glitter liners, and I'm starting off with a silver. And I don't know why I had my head tilted that way, so you can't even see what I'm doing. But you get it, okay? I'm putting the glitter liner in my crease. So I placed the silver glitter first, halfway up into the transition shade. Not all the way where it stopped it, but at the like halfway point, if that makes sense. And then I'm taking a gold glitter liner and just taking it all the way to the end of the crease.
You should have called me. You should have called me. Why you never call me? Why you never call me? Oh, you should.
Okay, moving on to my bottom under eye. I'm doing the same thing what I always do, taking the colors I put in my crease and putting them at the bottom, but I'm just working backwards. So I'm taking the dark color first, and then the second color, and then the first color. So basically I'm doing the reverse method.
Call me. Why you never call me? Why you never call me? Oh, you should have called me. Why you never call me? Why you never call me? Oh, you should have called me. Why you never call me? Why you never call me? Oh.
And for my inner corner, I'm just taking a white highlighter. I was going to do like a champagne color, but I thought that would maybe clash with it too much, and it would just be too normal. So I decided to do the white, since I do have silver in my crease as well with the glitter. I thought that would be really cute together, and it did. Like, it kind of brought the whole look together. So alright, for highlighter, I am taking the Artist Couture Jackie Aina collaboration in the color La Peach. And then I'm also taking the Juvia's Place loose highlighter in the color Neferiti. Okay, so for my lipstick, I didn't even bother putting lipstick on. Like, I just took a lip liner and lip gloss, and it actually turned out better that way. So the lip liner I'm taking is the MAC Aaliyah collaboration. I don't know the name of the lip liner, but I will put everything down in the description box below. Okay, so I'm just taking that and lining my lips very lightly. Like, I didn't want to fill my whole lips in, just really the outer portion of it. That color is like a berry brown. That's the best way I can describe it. And I'm going in with a brush just to blend out the edges so they won't be so harsh. Okay, so for the glosses, the first one I'm taking is the Colourpop Ultra Glossy Lip in the color Wham. It's like a bronzy color and has like gold flakes on it. It's really cute. You can wear it like really by itself. That's what I do anyway, sometimes. Like, I just get up in the morning, do everything I need to do when I'm going somewhere, and just throw that one on. It's really cute. Colourpop has the best lip glosses that I've tried so far. They're not sticky. They don't smudge. They really kind of last all day. I love them. And next we're going into another Colourpop. Yeah, I just lost track for a second. Okay, so the second gloss is called Finesse, and it's white. And it has like an iridescent feel to it. But the gloss I just used, it's not Wham. It's actually the MakeupShayla collaboration and Neat Freak. That's what it was, okay? But still, I will have it down at the bottom below. I don't know why I can't talk right now. But really, that's it for this video. And I hope you liked it. And don't forget to turn on notifications and subscribe and comment and share and all that good stuff. And I will see you in my next tutorial.
You should